Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are enjoying the digital classes. Today in the class of Standard 2, we are going to take the subject English 2 from the Learner's English Grammar book. Topic 13, verbs or action words from page number 27. Action words are also called doing words or verbs. So, tell me children, what is a verb? A word that describes an action is called a verb. It tells us what a person or thing does. So children, tell me what I am doing here now or what you are doing. Yes, I am teaching you all and you are listening to me. So teaching is an action and listening also is an action done by you and me. So teaching and listening is a verb. So let's know it better with some examples. Now here there is a boy. He is performing many actions. So let's see. Here the boy is standing. Your stand is an action. So it is a verb. Here the boy is clapping his hands. So clap is a verb. Here the boy is jumping. So jump is a verb. Here the boy is smiling. So smile is a verb. Here the boy is laughing. So laugh is a verb or an action word. Here the boy is sitting. Here, so sit is a verb. What the boy is doing here? Yes, he is running. So run is a verb. The girl is skipping. So skip is a verb. Here the girl is swimming. So swim is a verb. Here the girl is walking. So walk is a verb or an action word. Here the boy is playing. So play is a verb. And here the boy is riding a bicycle. So ride is a verb or an action word. So let's know again with more examples. See here. What this girl is doing? Yes, the girl is skipping. So she is doing the action of skipping. So Shilpa is skipping. So here the word in green tells us what the person is doing. That is, she is skipping. 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 So skipping is a verb. Now what this boy is doing? The boy is crossing the road. So he is doing the action of crossing the road. So the boy is crossing the road. Crossing is a verb. What this girl is doing? The girl is doing the action of sleeping. So the girl is sleeping. So sleeping is a verb. Here the children are studying. So the children are studying is a verb. Studying is a action word. What these children are doing? They are playing with a ball. So playing is a verb or an action word done by the children. What mother is doing? Mother is cooking food. So cooking is a work done by the mother. So it is an action word. It is also called as verb. Now these birds are flying in the sky. So flying is a action done by the birds. So it is a action word or a verb. What this cow is doing? The cow is drinking water. So drinking is verb. Now I hope you must have understood what is a verb or an action word. So let's do some exercise from the textbook. Now see exercise number 1. Underline the verb. Here you have to read the sentence and underline the verb. Now let's see the first sentence. We see with our eyes. Now tell me children, what our eyes do, what work our eyes do, or what action our eyes do. Yes, the work of an eye is to see. So see is an verb over here. So you have to underline see. Now see the second sentence. The lion caught the mouse. Now what the lion is doing? It is catching the mouse. He have caught the mouse. So it is doing the action of catching the mouse. So caught is a verb or an action word over here. So you have to underline caught over here. See the third sentence. The train runs on the track. Now train, even though it is a thing, it is doing some work. What it is doing? It is running on the track. So here runs is a verb. So you have to underline runs over here. Now see the fourth sentence. I drink milk every day. Now What you do every day? You drink milk. So drinking is an action done by you every day. So your drink is an verb or an action word. So you have to underline drink over here. Let's see the fifth sentence. The mango fell from the tree. Now the mango is doing the work of falling from the tree. So fell is a verb over here or an action word. So you have to underline fell over here. So I hope you must have understood this part of an exercise. Now let's see the second exercise. Now exercise 2, choose the correct alternative. You have to choose the correct alternative from this bracket and we have to fill in the blanks. So let's see the first sentence. I dash a movie today. So what will say? I saw a movie today. I look a movie today, or see a movie today. So saw is the correct word as it shows that I have already seen the movie today. So we have to write saw over here. SAW, saw. Now see the second sentence. The boy is dash for a sweet. Now what the boy is doing? Laughing for a sweet, or crying for a sweet, or falling for a sweet. Now you can't laugh for a sweet or fall for a sweet. You can cry for a sweet. If you don't get a sweet, you can cry for a sweet. So the correct word is crying. CRYING, crying. So crying, we'll write crying over here. Now see the third sentence. That window is dash. Now that window is broken or flying or jumping. Now do you think window can fly or jump? No, it can break. So the correct word from the bracket is broken. So that window is broken. Broken is the correct verb. We have to put in the blank. Now Hina dash her shoes. Now what is Hina? Hina have done? Hina have polished or eating or throwing the shoes. Do you eat or throw shoes? No, you polish your shoes. So the action done by Hina is polishing the shoes. So the correct answer is polished. POLISHED, polished. So we will write polished over here. Now see the next sentence. We must dash when the national anthem is sung. Now tell me children, when in school a national anthem is sung, what you do? Yes, you stand in attention. So we must stand when the national anthem is sung. So the correct answer is stand. STAND, stand. So we will write stand over here. Now let's see the sixth sentence. Geeta dashed to school. Now what you do when you come to school? You swim to school, fly to school, or walk to school. You walk to school. So Geeta also walks to school. WALKS, walks. So walks is a verb over here. Those boys are dash cricket. So what they are doing? Playing or dancing or singing cricket. Can you dance or sing cricket? No, you can play cricket. So the boys also are playing cricket. PLAYING, playing. Now see the eighth sentence. The hunter dashed the deer. Now what the hunter did? Killed or wore or broke deer. You can't break a deer. It is not a thing. You can't also wear a deer as it is not a cloth. So what is the correct answer? Killed. So the hunter killed the deer. So we will write killed over here. See the ninth sentence. The teacher is dash in the classroom. What the teacher does in the classroom? Does she brush or do washing in the classroom? No, she teaches in the classroom. So the correct answer is teaching. TACHING, teaching. So the teacher is teaching in the classroom. So we will write teaching over here. Now see the last sentence. The dog dash. What is the dog's action? It roars or barks or cows. Yes, it barks. So we will write barks over here. So these all are action words or verbs. So I hope you must have understood this part of the exercise also. So you too have to write and learn how to find a verb in your notebooks. So bye till now. Meet you in the next class. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.